This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: power and cabling. First, unplug the modem or gateway power and wait 30 seconds. This clears transient errors. While it's off, inspect the coax and Ethernet cables for bends or loose fittings and reseat them firmly. Once done, plug the modem back in, wait for solid lights, then power your router. Make sure to allow 2 to 3 minutes for the network to stabilize before testing a device, because handshake and provisioning take time. Once your hardware is back online, you need to verify the signal and account status. Open the Xfinity app or the gateway's admin page to check downstream/upstream levels and any logged errors. Abnormal levels indicate line or splitter problems. Next, confirm your account is in good standing and scan the outage map for your ZIP code. Make sure to connect one device via Ethernet directly to the modem to isolate Wi-Fi versus modem issues. This pinpoints if the problem is wireless congestion or service delivery. You're at the finish line. Do targeted advanced fixes before calling for help. If misconfiguration persists, perform a factory reset on the gateway but back up custom settings first. This returns firmware to a known state. Replace old splitters and any visibly damaged coax, since signal noise often lives there, and retest. If problems continue, note the modem/gateway light patterns and error codes. Then call Xfinity support. Provide the recorded diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.